Hey, what's going on YouTube family? Welcome to the vlog. Today is August 30th. It is currently 8 a.m. So I'm starting this one off really early today. Decided to do a vlog just because I know I'll be doing a lot of things besides phone flipping. So I figured I'd give you guys some insight on, my actual personal life. Not just, me picking up a bunch of phones and showing you guys. So this should be interesting. I know I have to do a couple of things to my car. Some things happened to my car yesterday. So I gotta go do that. I know I'm gonna take, my dog out to play and stuff like that. So I'll try to get some shots in with that. And I'll be doing a lot more stuff. So today's just mainly a free day where I'm just kind of, doing whatever. I'll pick up a couple phones, here or there, just to show you guys that, it's still possible when you're not even trying. So I'm going to do that. Probably going to get ready in a little bit to head out, and I'll see you guys soon. 235, 40, 18.
Here. How many are you needing? Just one?
Just one. Okay, thank you.
Yep, no problem.
All right. So, yesterday my car was driving weird, and I was trying to figure out what the problem was. I thought it was my axles and the whole suspension part of it, but I realized that the back passenger tire was pretty flat. So I put air in it yesterday. Didn't do much yesterday either. I just just sat in the driveway. And when I went to go work out, I saw it was also flat again. So I gotta get a new tire. I gotta find somebody who has that exact tire, because I ordered my tires online. I got the the Continental Extreme Contact, which are very good tires. They're pretty pricey, but they're worth it. So I'm just trying to figure out if a shop has them, so I can go there instead of just having to order it and then do all that. So hi, I'm calling to see if you guys have a tire in stock. I just need one, correct? So you can get it today?
Yeah.
Okay, that'd be great. That sounds good. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. Bye.
All right. So after a couple calls, I finally found the tire that I needed. I thought I was gonna have to order it on eBay. It would have came out to a lot cheaper, but I don't have time to wait for a tire to come. I gotta drive and pick up phones, stuff like that. And although I used that Fix-A-Flat stuff, and it said it was good for 100 miles, I don't trust that stuff at all. So the tire shop is right down the street. I'm gonna slowly take the car over there around noon, get that squared away. It came out to a lot more than I expected, just because I know how much that tire costs. So they're putting a lot on the labor, just installing the tire. So I'm gonna do that, guys. I'm supposed to meet her or the lady is supposed to contact me around 12 for me to get back with her and figure out how we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna do that, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do from 9 to 12, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so it's currently 10:55. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that cinematic clip I uploaded for you guys. Still working on my recording and editing skills, so give me some feedback on that. As you guys can see, the dogs are tired. I don't know if I can get one on camera. They're tired right now. So I'm just hanging out, enjoying the weather right now. Actually got a phone call from someone who has 7 iPhone X's and 2 Note 9. So I'm gonna eventually buy those today. I'm not sure when. We're just figuring out prices and negotiating right now, but when I do, I'm gonna let you guys know. So maybe in about 30 minutes, I'm gonna head over to the tire shop, drop my car off, and then maybe go eat some, lunch or something like that. Take you guys with me as well. So I'll see you guys in the next clip, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so here's my car. I'm about to head over to this tire shop so they can get me a new tire. The lady, called me right now. She said that they were ready, so I'm gonna show you guys the tire really quick. It's not that bad, but you guys can see it is pretty flat. So these are some pretty pricey wheels, so I don't want to be driving and the tire pop, so I'm gonna take it really slow, and hopefully we can get this fixed, and then I'll be able to pick up some phones. I haven't went anywhere today, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so I just got a call from the tire shop. They're finished with the car. I'm gonna head over there, get the car. I just wanted to give you guys an update. So the guy messaged me with the iPhones. He has 4 open box iPhone X's and 5 sealed, all AT&T, all 256 gigabytes. So I offered him a price. We agreed he's gonna be here in like an hour and a half. So I gotta do that. Also got a call from a guy who wanted to buy a phone, an iPhone X, for AT&T. I have one that's unlocked, open box, mint condition. I'm selling it to him for $840. Agreed to $840. I'm gonna take care of that after I buy the phones. I'm kind of pressed for time right now. I'm supposed to be doing some things later on in the day. So, again, yeah, I'm pressed. So if I don't, record in a couple hours, that's just because I've just been running back and forth. So I'll see you guys. Stay tuned for the next clip. What's up, guys? So it is currently 2:50. I'm back in my car. I just left this tire shop. They fixed the tire, did everything correctly. It was kind of pricey, but this was the closest tire shop that had the tire I was looking for. And there were others that were cheap, but they were too far. I don't want to risk all that. So my rest of my day is gonna be booked, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I gotta do some cardio right now, shower, then I gotta meet somebody at 4. Hopefully they can get here at 4:30, and then I gotta drive all the way across town to sell a phone. Sometimes this happens where you have it planned out in your head, and then when it's actually happening, you realize that you don't have as much time as you originally thought. So I thought I had a lot more time to spare, because from what I was thinking in my head, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this at 3, get finished at 3:30, then be ready around 4. I thought it was gonna be like bam, 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 but didn't factor in the actual drive time, traffic, all that stuff. So, it's going to be a lot of things happening. Good thing for you guys, because I have a lot to show you guys for the vlog, but it's not, good for me as far as the time I need to finish all this stuff. So I'm going to hurry up, drive home as fast as I can, do some cardio, about 30 minutes of cardio, take a shower, and then I'll get back with you then. So I'll see you guys. Hey, what's up, guys? So it's currently 5:02. Just had like one of the most hectic things that happened. So pretty much I had to obviously go work out, go take a shower. I was in a rush. I had to go pick up a iPhone X for AT&T, used, clean, IMEI, ready to go. I picked that up for $380. So that's a good deal, no cracks or anything on it. And then another guy who I've dealt with before messaged me. He had a ton of phones. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I bought 10 phones from him. So you guys can see, guys, it's all the phones there. Some of them are sealed. There's a couple sealed ones here. There's some open box ones here. You know, you guys can see. And then I also got me a Note 9 from him as well for AT&T. So yeah, I can, you know, turn around, probably make about $3,200 profit on that investment, which is not bad. But now I gotta go sell this guy an iPhone X. So let me show you. So I brought two iPhone X's from to choose from, and he, you know, wants 256, but I bought a space gray one and a silver one, just so we can kind of have a option. He didn't mention the different colors, but I'm gonna give him that different option, you know, so he can, you know, find one that he really wants and pick the one he wants. So I'm gonna do that right now. It is, you know, it is rush hour right now, so traffic is crazy. People are driving crazy. They're just trying to get home. So hopefully I can get there safely, and I will see you guys after all that. And yeah, so see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so it is currently 10:39 p.m. Just got back home from a long day. Just want to give you guys a recap before I end the vlog. So the last time I talked to you guys, I was showing you guys the phones that I bought. So I ended up picking up 11 phones today. That's 10 iPhone X's and one Note 9. You know, that's a solid day today. You know, but the crazy thing about today was that I wasn't supposed to pick up any phones. So I'm pretty much was just supposed to give you guys a vlog where, you know, you guys are seeing things that I'm doing in my personal life and stuff like that. But for some reason, I just kept getting swamped with calls and messages from people wanting to meet up. So I'm not gonna pass up on money, you know, just the way it is. And you know, it's good that I picked up so many phones today, because this is going to give me a lot of time to just not buy. So maybe this entire weekend, so tomorrow's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'm not going to buy any phones. I'm just going to focus on selling everything. Just got the announcement that Apple will be announcing their iPhones, you know, on the 12th of September. So I'm trying to get ready for all that. You know, I know the prices are going to be dropping and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get rid of all the iPhone X's that I have. And I have like, let me see, I probably have like 17 iPhone X's that I haven't sold yet. So I need to get that down, get those sold before the new release. And just prepare myself for, you know, the crazy release. It's going to be crazy. I love these releases. I love when Apple decides to release a phone. It makes phone flipping so much easier, because people just jump on that next phone and they get rid of their old ones. They don't care about their old ones. So that's going to be a lot of profit for me and you guys. So take advantage of that and use that as an advantage when you are negotiating. You know, hey, there's the new phones are coming out. You know, so I can give you this amount because the prices are dropping, something like that. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys the recap before I got off. I'm probably just gonna head to bed after this because I'm tired, so tired. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully you guys, you know, want to see more of what I do in my personal life, rather than just, you know, showing you guys my pickups, my drives to the pickups and all that. So if you do want to see more of that, drop that down in the comments. You know, say yeah if you want to see more personal vlogs and stuff like that. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.